got one, baby! First blizzard warning in 4 years, let's go!
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect Thursday 5 p.m. to Saturday 7 p.m. Eastern Time.
Impacts. Travel will be very difficult. Several road closures are in place. Widespread blowing and drifting snow will significantly reduce visibility. Isolated power outages have been reported. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
What's up, everybody? I'm Sydney Baker Green, and welcome back to the channel. Now, you guys know I have a passion for meteorology, especially when it comes to winter storms, and oh, it's finally happening. We are finally in the path of a blizzard. We are going to be the storm that is going to be talked about. We are no longer going to be left on the sidelines. This is the first blizzard warning in 4 years. So I'm super excited for that. It's currently snowing lightly right now, but from Friday at 1 o'clock in the morning to 1 in the afternoon, we are going to get 13 to 15 inches of snow with 40-mile-per-hour winds, whiteout conditions. So ooh, it gets me going. I'm so excited. And it wouldn't be an SBG winter storm chasing vlog without my vehicle of choice, the Camaro, which we'll definitely be doing donuts in later. It's currently 37 degrees right now, and it's 1:45 in the afternoon. I'm expecting by tonight or in the morning, we should be at 13 degrees outside. Okay, so my battery died and it started snowing a whole lot harder while I charged it up for those few minutes, but I want you guys to take in exactly what it looks like right now, because when we come back, we will be in the thick of it. I literally walked outside like 20 minutes ago and my footprints are gone. So it's not horrible out yet. I still have a little bit of traction. The roads are snow covered and the wind is picking up. It's now 28 degrees, so we've lost 10 degrees in a matter of a couple of hours. And I know that it's only 6:18 and the lakeshore is supposed to start deteriorating around 7. So I didn't go out last night because it didn't look like it was that bad, but apparently it is that bad. You guys can see we are in the thick of it. My car's completely snow covered. Snow got in our garage and it was closed last night, mind you. You can see how it's weird with the blowing and drifting. There's still spots that are not snow covered, and then you get these super high drifts over here, and you can see my car is kind of stuck in there. But I'm going to go pick up somebody who is going to help me do the filming, especially while driving, because I don't have time to deal with driving and filming at the same time. But yeah, it is cold out here. That's what you guys can't feel. That's what matters. Ooh, my door's, come on, my door's frozen. It is 6 degrees outside. 6. It is absolutely crazy out here. Surprisingly, I have good traction. It is so cold that I can't even have heat on anywhere else but the windshield. Yeah, visibility out here is not great. So if I would have turned out, he would have came right there. I'm glad I waited.
Whip it. He's That was me falling on camera.
I thought for sure we were gonna be stuck in that parking lot. absolutely insane whiteout conditions. The crazy part is that we still have 24 hours of this too. Yeah, that looks better. This is crazy. This is worse than it was earlier.
I shouldn't have stopped it there.
It is Saturday, so it's the next day, and it is still going hard out here, y'all. I actually need to go get some energy drinks because I can't function without caffeine. So we're gonna see how these roads are, but yeah, it's not letting up yet, and it's still cold and it's still windy. I plowed this the other day, and you can see how deep it is. I did the snow blowing. You cannot see a single thing out here right now. Dang. Like pure whiteout. This is as bad as it's been. On the plus side, it has warmed up a bit. It is no joke out here, guys. Just when you think it's gonna let up, it gets worse. Well, it's time to snowblow again. You guys can see I'm in the proper snowblow attire. Our snowdrifts keep piling up, so I'm just gonna... That is now all snowblowed and taken care of. You can see just how high some of those drifts were. Whew, it is cold out here. Snow made it inside of my hood, and I feel like my face is frozen. It is Saturday at 4:30. And it is still coming down pretty hard. So it's about 5:30 right now. And it doesn't seem like it has slowed down a single bit. It's not as windy as it was yesterday, but it's still snowing pretty heavy. I 100% would not be surprised if we had a blizzard warning extended. It is now 19 degrees out, so we have warmed up a little bit from that 6-degree high yesterday. Road crews are still out working around the clock, though. We've seen tons of clouds today. I can definitely see the blizzard warning expiring and us getting a winter storm warning with some language that could hint to periodic blizzard-like conditions. But since it's not that sustained high wind for that 3-hour duration period, I don't know if it'll necessarily meet the criteria of a blizzard anymore, but it's definitely still a winter storm. I'm not sure if this is going to be the last section for today, but if it is, I will see you guys tomorrow and give you the update then. Seems to have lightened up quite a bit. I can actually go back outside now with a hoodie on. Granted, it's still pretty cold. We're still getting pretty heavy bursts of snow though with the lake effect bands. We were downgraded to a winter weather advisory that had language that suggested that there could be periodic blizzard-like conditions, but the winds have completely calmed down. It's like, oh, almost fell. You can tell I'm a Michigander when I say I can wear a hoodie again. And it's 18 degrees outside. So this road is considered a Michigan highway, and the road crews have managed to clear it, but it's basically a layer of ice. Now closer into town, it does look like they finally put some salt down, and the salt does appear to be working because this isn't ice. This is actually This is actually pavement. It's still slick out, don't get me wrong. I tried to brake hard and I slid a little bit. That took care of my ice and windshield wiper problem. It is nice to have functioning windshield wipers again. They're not all iced up. The roads are much clearer out here, though I think another plow went through because it looks like it was just plowed again and everything looks a lot nicer. Nowhere near as bad as it was the other day. Taking the wind out of it certainly helps a lot. There's not a lot of blowing and drifting snow anymore. She is looking a whole lot better now that she is cleaned, got all that snow off of her. I might take her in one more time before the day is over. Look at all that extra snow that's piled up. You can even see it near the garage. I fell. And just like that, the atmosphere has silenced. And just like that, guys, this event has officially come to an end. Thank you so much for watching this Storm of a Generation Blizzard cinematic vlog. It means a lot to me. Please be sure to leave a comment in the description down below. Hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications because it encourages me to continue to share these parts of my personality, my interest on this channel. And I really want to become more well-rounded going into 2022, showing you things outside of just filmmaking and cinematography, but things like technology, aviation, and also meteorology. So again, guys, I thank you so much. Be sure to follow me on my social media. The links are in the description down below, as well as the YouTube fam. Their links are also in the description down below. My beautiful people, now more than ever, if you are ever feeling uninspired, uncreative, or just want to give up on life, remember, every day, airplanes take off against the wind. Keep climbing, stay inspired, and as always, stay fabulous. I'm Sydney. I'll see you beautiful people next time. Peace out.